Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Let 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 one number be x. Let one number let one number be x. Therefore other number will be another number will be other number will be if one exceeds the other by 15, that is x plus 15. And the sum of the two numbers is 95. And according to the question, 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 x plus 15 is equal to 95. Right? x plus 15 is equal to 95. And here you see that x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. Transposing on transposing 15 to right hand side to RHS, we get 2x is equal to 95 minus 15, or 2x is equal to subtract 95, 15 from 95, subtract 15, it is 0, it is 80, we are getting 80, right? If we divide both sides by 2, on dividing both sides by 2, we get 2x by 2 is equal to x is equal to 80 divided by 2, and that comes to 40. That the value of x is 40. Therefore one number is 40. Therefore one number is equal to 40. And other number is equal to x plus 15. The value of x is 40. 40 plus 15, 55. This is the answer. That one number is 40 and the other number is 55. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.